In today's quick guide, I'll show you how you can change the wireless internet or Wi-Fi on your Amazon Fire TV and connect to a new Wi-Fi network. To connect to a Wi-Fi or change it, first you'll need to go to the Wi-Fi settings of your TV. For that, from your TV's home screen, go all the way to the right to the settings or gear icon. Then go down and open Network. And here you'll see the current Wi-Fi that you're using, which will say connected. And the other Wi-Fi that's in range of your Amazon Fire TV will show as available. If you don't see your Wi-Fi here, then just tap on See All Networks and then find your Wi-Fi. After that, press the Select or OK button and put in your password. Then press the Play Pause button to connect. And in a moment, your Amazon Fire TV will switch to a new Wi-Fi. This way you can save multiple Wi-Fi connections and switch between them by just selecting them. So that's how you can connect to a Wi-Fi or switch between them on your Amazon Fire TV. Hope you found this helpful and stay tuned for more.